Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with the the two planners, things that I got in my most recent squad box. I'm going to do a quick flip through of the Happy Notes as well as the vertical layout planner. Let's get started. Firstly, I apologize for the glare. It's just where my camera is and my ring light. But this first one here is the 60 Sheets Happy Notes dotted lined paper. It's got these really cute kind of peach mini discs on there. And on the front it said, "The best time for new beginnings is now." And I love the front cover. Love the front cover. I just need my X-Acto knife here because I don't know where my scissors are. So then that's out of the way. So this is just dotted lined paper. Very simple, very good for taking notes. Quite a few sheets in there. So then, oh, I love that dashboard. Really pretty. And actually, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna zoom it in here. It's got this really pretty peach on the side there, and then you've got the really pretty little floral detailing. So really, really pretty. So yeah, it's just a really pretty notebook. And then I love this one, "Treat people with kindness." And I love the blue and the painted florals, just gorgeous. I might have to steal a couple of those. And then some more sheets on the back. And then "Plan a Happy Life." And that is the dotted lined paper notebook. The next thing I'm going to take you guys through is the 12-month vertical layout planner. And on the front it says, "I'm the creator of my own happy life." And then it's got some kind of gold, of course I know, they're the gold classic discs. And this calendar, it's terrible. This planner is a 12-month planner from August 2021 to July 2022. So I'm going to just take that here, and it is a teacher planner. So let's just open that up. You've got the year at a glance, and then I always love this one because there's so many ways you could use these pages in your planner. "Today is a good day for a good day." I love this currently page. You've got the noted, focus on. This is a different layout of a currently page that I've ever seen before. So August dashboard or divider. Very, very neutral monthly spread. And then very neutral pages. I like the dot grid, I like the important there, but it is just very neutral. I really enjoy that. Really enjoy that. You've got a few quotes at the bottom. "You can't always be strong, but you can always be brave." So for anybody who just wants a fresh, clean slate, that is my phone. If you just want a fresh, clean slate, this is definitely the planner for you. And again, the September, there's some dates here that are important. A good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change anything. And I'm not going to flip through every single page in here because they're all very similar, if not exactly the same. But I will show you all of the monthly dividers. So all of your dreams are possible. Teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. I just really like the color of these dividers. And I really like the way the currently page is set up. Like that, always find time for the things that make you happy. And it's not a seasonal one either. It's just very, like the theme across the whole year is the same. And I really like that. I love this. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. I love the colors. Don't count the days, make the days count. Oh, and the gold foil. I really like the very simple artwork in here on the dividers. It's very pastel, very calming. I really like it. And I like the mix of the type with the hand lettering. So that is July. If I can flip And then the very last page, ooh, is this nice blue, or what my son calls cyan, and it's a noted page with a grid on there. Ooh, all right, so that is the 12-month vertical layout planner. And then this is the 60 sheets dotted line paper notebook. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I've included an affiliate link for the Happy Planner website down in the description. These will be released at the date specified here. And there will also be a discount code available for you guys to use for specific dates, which I will leave in the description. All right, but thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.